Hey there, it's Rusty Nelson, your college art professor, and we're talking watercolor today. It is the last episode for 2025. We're ringing in 2026 today. It's New Year's Eve. I hope everybody has a fun time tonight. Well, now, if you're a new viewer, welcome to the channel. This channel is all about learning how to draw and to do watercolor, starting a creative journey no matter where you are in life, but I am focusing on retirees, soon to be retirees, and those kind of mid-career people who are interested in maybe picking up a creative journey just for something fun to do outside of what they normally do. But if you're younger, that's okay. Welcome in. I am a university professor. I teach 20-year-olds, been doing it for 28 years. I teach graphic design, I teach illustration, 3D modeling and animation, watercolor and foundation drawing, both observational drawing and figure drawing. So that's kind of my repertoire of content and knowledge that I'm capable of producing, but I only focus on drawing and watercolor here on this channel. I'm just about to retirement age. I have one more semester left. I've been kind of doing some review and looking at what has been going on for 2025, what I have managed to accomplish. I'm very happy with the view count and my subscriber count for 2025. I'm just a few, maybe 100 subscribers away from 40,000. I would never have imagined that I would have achieved that in 2 years when I started the channel back in 2023. So it's been really a gratifying experience. I have had to learn a ton of information in the last 2 years, and I've really been focusing solely on YouTube, neglecting all sorts of other things that I have kind of sitting out there. Instagram, Facebook. I've been ignoring my Patreon channel and my website to the extent that I've really been working on YouTube and trying to develop skills and knowledge and information and things that I know that you should know and the things that you want to see as well. So that's what I've been focusing on for 2025, 2024, and 25. And hopefully for 26, I'm going to be working on improving my content, my storytelling, my video structure, trying some various things out. I've done a few small different things in this last year, just kind of give me an idea of what is the potential once I do relocate to our new location in late 2026 and early 27. So a lot of fun things that should be happening in 2026 and then leading into 27. That's been my main goal, really kind of improve the videos, my skill sets in the videos. You know, that was one of the hardest things I think in the last 2 years has been to kind of get better at compressing my abilities in watercolor and drawing into a 30-minute, 45-minute, hour-long video that people like watching in real time. So I do know people like the real-time videos, and if they want, they can speed them up as necessary, but they do appreciate the thought processes that I express as I'm painting in real time. So I didn't get my 2025 goal for starting a live stream accomplished. I'm moving that to goal number 2 for 2026 after improving my video quality and video structures. That's going to be my main thing, is to start a live stream. I'm thinking I'm going to be doing those live streams the same time as I typically shoot this canned version of Talking Watercolor. So I typically do that on Mondays around 2 o'clock. So I think that might be my go-to time for people to be able to go over to YouTube, jump in, ask some questions, interact with me. We can have a discussion. We can go down various rabbit holes, and more than willing to do it. I'm thinking 15, 20 minutes to start out. If it goes longer, we'll just see how that goes and let it evolve naturally. So that's one of my primary goals for 2026. I do have goals for getting 2 courses completed and uploaded to Gumroad for you to buy as well. these are exactly what I do up at the university in the course of 15 weeks. So get out there and take a look at those when they're posted. That should be good. And I do promise, I had a very nice comment from Patreon. I had a viewer who was canceling their membership, and they were nice enough to let me know why. They were telling me they just didn't feel like there was any additional value to having the Patreon membership. And I understand that, and that's fine, because I didn't start this Patreon channel for a value added thing just yet. It's really just to help support what I'm currently doing with the existing demos and watercolor and drawing tutorials that I'm posting to YouTube. So it's really just kind of a support the channel of what I'm currently doing. I do have plans though with the live stream and the digital courses, that being a Patreon add-on value added feature. So that hopefully will happen in 2026 as well. So anyway, we're making progress ever so slowly. Like I said, I am going to be retiring in May, have a lot of things going on in 2026. So I'll probably be just as disjointed and distracted, but I promise I'm going to be posting these videos to YouTube every week. And we are going to make progress in 2026. And I love seeing all the people from all across the world who are watching the videos and dropping me comments. I hope I am helping and providing value and getting you interested and realizing that getting started with art doesn't have to be intimidating. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to do it and have the desire to do it and develop what you want to do ultimately once you get all this under your belt. Hey, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching and tuning in. And if you got any value out of this little talk today, please head over, give me a like, a subscribe, share this out to those people you know would be interested in getting started on a creative journey. Give them the link, get them into the channel. We can help them out. Get into the video description. I have affiliate links. Those also help the channel by clicking on those, going into Amazon and buying stuff. I'll get a small commission. There are free downloads on my website as well for Loomis drawing, Riley method, some design elements and principles stuff you can just download for free and peruse and learn. Get out there, download those things. They're a lot of fun. It's a good read. And head over to Gumroad, buy those 2 digital products I have out there right there, and that'll help the channel out as well. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being here in 2025. I can't wait for 2026 and helping everybody out as best I can. See you then. Happy New Year.